Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Yeeps Wiring Basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you what each wiring block does, and I'm going to show you how to make simple machines. Our first block, the wire. It may be pretty obvious what the wire does, but it just sends a signal through it. Yeah. Now the next block is this block. I don't know what it's called, but basically it's just used. So let me show you. If you were to do this and then put something on the output side and then put something on the input side, it would go through the block. Now for the buttons. So in the last thing, which was the wood thing, I already showed a button, but yeah, you press it, sends out a signal. Let me just do this. So the next thing is this. I don't know what it's called yet again, but it's basically just a battery. So if I were to connect it to something, it would automatically be powered. Now for the trapped wood. So this wood, if you step on it, it sends a signal. Let me show you. I'm using this way too much for all of my examples, but yeah, you step on it, shoots you up. It's a little wonky, but Now, there's a lot of the next thing. I'm just gonna make a montage of me placing them all. Now I'm gonna show what all of them do one by one. Yeah! So first, we have the AND gate. The AND gate needs 2 inputs to power. So let's say I make 2 buttons. If I can get them in the right positions, then it sends out its output. So I'm just gonna add the thing I've been using as every example this whole video. And then, oh, it wasn't show. Okay, there, now we have a bigger view. See that? And with only one of them, it doesn't work. So yeah, you basically just go, yeah! Now for the OR block. Now with the OR block, it's kind of the same as the AND block, except it's the opposite. So instead of having to have both of them powered, it can have either of them powered, or both of them powered. Yet again, I'm using that, but works with both. Works with this one, and works with that one. I'm just gonna use this example for all of them. This is the NOT block. When it doesn't have power, it sends out an output, but when it does get power, it powers off. Now this is XOR. I'm gonna need another button to show this. Basically, it's OR. Either one of them can power it, but if both of them are powering it, wait. Yeah, if both of them are powering it, then it doesn't send an output. Only one of them can be powered if it sends an output. Now for this one, I'm gonna use something else because this one works a little bit differently than the other blocks. So, this is the toggle block. I'm gonna real quick make a reset. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this screen to show you guys how the toggle block works. Just stare at this. Just stare at me. Oh, actually, I'm gonna do this. And then I'll Alright, so the toggle block literally toggles. So you'll see if I press the button another time, it goes off. By the way, the toggle block used to be named flip-flop. I get why they renamed it to top. Now for the last one, the gambling block. I mean the random block. Okay, so I'm gonna use that same exact thing that I've been using for pretty much oh my god! Okay, so as I was saying, I'm just gonna use this, the same exact thing that I've been using for a lot of the examples. Whoa, we got the left one. For you, it's the right one, so I'm just gonna say it's the right one, and that's the left one, yeah? Whoa, we got the left one. Whoa, we got the left one. Whoa, we got the right one. Whoa, we got the right one. Whoa, we got the right one. All right, so that's all the gates. Now for the pulse delay and the pulse extender. So the pulse delay, if I were to put the output to this and a button, why did I say button like that? And a button like that, then if I press it, it delays it. Make it the huge delay. Okay, so I know that it takes up half the screen. Oh, wait, no, I can. Okay, yeah, now you can actually see the other blocks clearly. So, if you press it. Come on! I don't have forever! Just do it! What? How did that work? Does it just... One sec, let me see if it does that. Let me see if it does it when we punch it. Let's press it. Nope, that was just pure luck. Wow. Ah, just finish! I'm waiting for you. Oh man, I missed it. Now for the pulse extender. So I'm gonna use the huge extender yet again. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you the pulse of a normal button. That's how long it stays. And now this is a pulse extender button. This just extends the pulse and makes it go for longer. So this is a normal button yet again. Now this is a button with a pulse extender. A lot longer. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay. Time for this. I don't have the other. I don't have what gets the signal for this one, but basically, let me attach a button to this. If there were the receiver would get that signal and send power to whatever's connected to it. But right now it doesn't work because I don't have the receiver. Ah! What? Okay, so, screens. I'm just gonna real quick hook it up to a button. That's what I usually do. I hook things up to a button. Okay, press this. Yeah, oh, why does he look like that? Yeah! I don't feel like getting rid of all that, so, yeah, I'm just gonna, place all the powered things. Wait, no, I need to do a montage. Now I'm gonna show you what each of the 4 of these blocks do. Okay, I just made them all powered by this one button. Okay. Watch this. Wow, and then if I go on the, oh my god. If I go on this. Come on, oh yeah, there's no way. Are you okay, Arlo? Arlo, are you okay? Arlo, I didn't mean to hit you. Oh, Arlo, are you okay? Arlo. Arlo, are you okay? Who are you? Hello. Arlo. My dog's scared of me because I have the headset on. Isn't that cool? Help me! Okay, so now the doors. Button, they open. Oh wait. I'm a genius! Arm is stuck. Arm! My arm! And yeah, there's only a couple more things left. Okay, so this is the key stuff, the button and the cannon thing. They aren't the key stuff, but I'm just using them for yeah. But yeah, as you saw, when you put the key in the keyhole, it sends out an output. But there's also key doors, and they literally do. Open with wait. Key door. I was a brave boy and I ate all of them. Okay, yeah, well, that's all the things.